Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm here with another Christmas haul. And if I'm being honest, I think I will have one more after this. The reason being, Hobby Lobby, all of their stuff is 60% off, and some of this is so reasonable. There's a few other things I want to get. So here's the first thing, these snowmen, okay? And they have, it looks like tissue paper, I think, with seed bead. But anyway, you guys know I love my snowmen in my den. So I got those. Those were $12.99. I'm not going to go through all the prices of what they were because I don't remember, but $12.99. So take 60% off of these prices. Second thing, I like to put holly along with my garland, and so they had this was $15.99, 60% off. Then I got this candle wreath, and I'll use that in my den, $17.99. Now these, when I'm giving you the prices, these are the regular prices. Remember, take 60% off of that. Okay. Then I got quite a few, since I do my kitchen in the peppermint and the gingerbread. I got some of these picks, and these are normally 99 cents. Then the same aisle where they had the picks, I got a couple of these. I think these are so pretty. And I like to use these in my crafts and on my fake bakes. They're very pretty with the fake bakes. And like I said, I think I'll get a little bit more because I'll get probably some of the miniatures to put onto my cakes and a couple ornaments. Then they had these, which I'll put in my tree in the living room with my Santa decor. Oh, these were $4.99 regularly. These were 99 cents regularly. And this was $1.99 regularly. Then I got some more of the candy canes to put in to the kitchen and into my formal dining room, since it's all Mrs. Claus, Santa Claus, and hot cocoa. These were $12.99 originally. Then they had this bell. This is the small one. They had a big one. This one was $13.99, and I think the big one was $20 something, but I just got a small one. This will go in my den with my snowmen. This sign was $6.99. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. That'll go in my living room with Santa. Isn't that pretty though? So you figure it's less than $3. Then for $5.99, these little houses, candy houses, these will go in my kitchen. I got two, so less than $3 for both. I mean, each of these less than $3. Aren't those cute? And then these little gingerbread, the boy and girl. I thought he was really cute. Now you could make these, and you could use this as your model and just flatten out your clay and just follow this as your pattern, right? The last thing was this gumball machine. And this was $12.99 regularly. I have a black one and a white one. So I can use these throughout the year. It doesn't have to be Christmas. So guys, for now, that's my Hobby Lobby haul. Like I said, there are a few more things, and I'm getting it because it's going to be a very, very good price, and I don't think you're going to see this again next year when you see Christmas decor going 60% off before even Thanksgiving. So anyway, as always, I wanted to share that with you, and when I get any more from Hobby Lobby, I'll let you see. Okay? All right, guys, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la.